Thank you for choosing Micro. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the Micro White and Micro Black. Same scooter, two different colors. It's our best-selling adult product and is extremely smooth, comfortable, and ergonomic. To begin, let's remove the contents from the box. Inside of the box, you should have the following items. Instruction manual packet with Allen keys, our fun safety rules printout, and of course, the folded down scooter itself. Once you've removed everything from the box, let's get your Micro unfolded and ready for the pavement. To begin, open folding block latch found on right-hand side of folding block. Next, press in silver button found just above the clamp to engage folding action. Scooter will click into upright position. Finish by closing the folding block latch. This secures the scooter in the upright position. You may need to tighten the latch before venturing out. Here's how you do so. Open latch and then tighten dial on opposite side. Finish by closing latch. Doing so should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. If you ever need to fold down the scooter, doing so is quite easy. Simply open the folding block latch and then press in both buttons on the folding block. One button is silver and the opposite button is blue. Make sure to relatch clamp once scooter is folded down. Next, let's insert your handlebar grips. To do so, press in the brass tab on each grip and insert into cavity. Make sure tab pops out into the hole on both sides. Finally, let's adjust your handlebar to the desired height. To begin, open handlebar clamp and raise handle to desired height. Finish by closing latch. If you raise the handlebar up to the tallest setting, a black locking button pops out to secure the handle at this height. This means that you will need to press in the button anytime you wish to lower the handle from the tallest setting. Similar to the folding block, you may need to tighten the handlebar clamp on your scooter over time. To do so, open clamp and raise handle to desired height. Next, with clamp still open, tighten clamp using number 5 Allen key. Finish by closing clamp. Doing so should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. Now that your scooter's set up, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the two-way kickstand. As you can see, you can kick the stand either forward or backward once you are ready to hit the pavement. If you purchased a Micro White or Black with the interlocking feature, here's how you use the lock. Important. Make sure to write down your combination once it has been set. The only way to change the combination is by entering in the existing combination first. If you've lost the combination, the lock functionality becomes inoperable. Moving forward, the default combination is 000. You can open the lock with this code by pressing in the black button and pulling the cable from the lock unit. To change the combination, firmly press on the lock top and simultaneously twist clockwise by 90 degrees. You are now able to use the spin dial numbers to set a new combination. Once you've set your new combination, rotate lock top back to default position to establish new combination. You may repeat this process as often as desired. Thank you for choosing Micro.
There's scooters, and then there's Lascoota. A Lascoota doesn't only look and feel great, it's convenient and flexible. And built to let you ride your way. Leave it when you have to. And get going again when you need to. With fun, freedom, and flair. Or just keep it comfortably at your side. It's a big world out there. Take it on with the Lascoota Pro. More than just a scooter. Lascoota.